Hi there, and today I talk to you about a platform called LearnWeb3.io, and this is a great platform. I recently started with this platform to learn about the Web3 overall. Okay, so they have all those sections from freshman track to sophomore track to junior track and to senior track. And whenever you complete those tracks, okay, let me give you whenever you complete all these tracks up to the 100%, they provide you the NFTs, and that NFT is a symbol that you have completed this course. And yeah, so basically that built your profile in a blockchain itself. Okay, so you have to add your Ethereum wallet address, and this is how you get your NFTs into that particular wallet. So yeah, so let me give you a brief overview of this website. Okay, so you have to log in into it, and you have to also add to your Discord. So they have also created this Discord community, guys. This is also pretty awesome. And they have their Twitter page as well. But let me give you the website walkthrough to you. So they learn about the basic of programming. So you learn about the blockchain. And not only after the theoretical part, okay, they also gives you the amazing quizzes as well. So you have to just click on this. You open these kinds of quizzes, and you have to complete these quizzes. And whenever you complete these quizzes, you got the percentage. Okay, how much marks, how much score you gain, and based on these, you got these kinds of scores. Okay, so if you don't know, if you don't know about anything about Web3, you have to just read it. Okay, and based on these sections only, they have provides you with with these quizzes. Okay, so let's say I don't have really scored bad with Remix ID, so definitely I don't know about the Remix ID. So I have to learn about the Remix ID, what is Remix IDs and how it works, and whatever it is. They also provides you the links, if links to some of the external resources from where you learn more about those things. So yeah, so this is pretty awesome. Pretty, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for building this platform. And I think I learned a lot, not only because of this thing, but also because of this the community itself. Okay, because I think in Web3 space, the community is the most important thing. Okay, and the person behind who built this platform, which is called the Casey, I guys, you should follow him as well. So the person who built this particular platform, he says, okay, you learn whenever you start learning, if you learn with other people as well, you actually fast your process, okay, of learning. Okay, because whenever you make a mistake, you ask someone and they help you. Okay, so I think that also the great part about this, they have this particular amazing, okay, they have this particular sections where you learn more about the owner. Yes, so the quizzes are pretty awesome as well. And yeah, so this is, I think, the basic. Not only this, okay, whenever you complete it, okay, I think for anyone who's already knows about the Web3, the freshman track is already there, but you can't go to the sophomore track directly. You have to complete uh, the freshman track uh, to go to the further tracks and the junior tracks and to the senior tracks, and you got those NFTs, and those NFTs, based on those NFTs, yeah, this is a mark of completions. And later on, they also announced, they also creates this job board sections, and based on those NFTs and based on those completion marks, scores, and if overall your participation in the platform, you got the job as well in the Web3 space. And I think this is pretty awesome again. So thank you so much, guys, for building this, and hope I see you in the next one.